guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So do you guys remember this kurta? It's a very old kurta by Anoop, but I love it so much. It's very hot in Delhi right now, and you know, there's nothing as good as wearing cotton kurta sets in summer. So I am really chilling in this beautiful but very comfortable and very old kurta set. I simply love this kurta set. I just, you know, cannot have enough of it. So guys, in today's video I want to share with all of you some of my recent purchases that I got from Myntra and Ajio, and these are kind of summer purchases because, you know, of course it's very hot. I needed some tops, some flowy tops, cotton fabric, you know, those kind of summer pieces, not really jeans and stuff, and some footwear, like actual comfortable footwear but slight bit of a heel so that, you know, I can wear them outside as well, and I can wear them inside, and that are easy to slip and slide in. So I have all of that to share with you guys, but before that I wanted to share with you guys my skincare routine for summers. You guys know my skin is not the best. It breaks out, I have large pores, there's extra, you know, sebum production in my skin, so that's why I get more acne. So therefore I like to go for skincare that is scientifically designed, that works on my skin, especially for my acne prone skin. And when you have acne, you know that acne also leave scars, so I have to get that treated as well. And you know, it's just not possible to go out right now. I do not go to a dermatologist or anything like that, but there is this one brand which is called as the Derma Co. I discovered it merely on my own, and also probably I think on Nykaa. I read a couple of reviews, and based on those reviews I went ahead and purchased some of the things from the Derma Co. I'm really happy with the results. So in today's video I will be talking about one face wash, because summers mein to you really have to wash your face, like especially if your oily skin have acne and stuff, you should wash your face at least twice a day, if not more than at least twice a day. And you know, you should use a medicated face wash. So I go with this one. This is by this brand called as the Derma Co, and it is 3% niacinamide foaming face wash. So of course when you pump it out, it's not going to come out as a, you know, soapy liquidy thing. It's going to come out as a foam. It has niacinamide in it, it has glycolic acid, and you can use it day and night. So this is very effective face wash. I mean, I've been getting acne, a lot of hormonal acne, also because I love mangoes, and basically the culprit of my acne is actually mangoes, hormones, and a lot of other things as well. So this one does help with your acne. It helps with sebum production, it helps with acne scars or marks. It also actually protects your skin from, you know, forming new acne as well. So that's why it's a very effective face wash. I use it every morning and every night, and it just does the job so well. This one is a 100 ml bottle, and if you're wondering what the price of this particular product is, it's $3.49 for 100 ml. Since this is a foaming product, of course it lasts very long time. I mean, with foaming there is zero wastage. I feel like that. The packaging is really nice, very luxe, you know. It has this kind of a transparent cap. There is this nozzle thing. You pump the product out from here, and that's how you use it. You simply apply it on your face, massage it into circular motion, and then rinse your face off with normal water, and that's about it. Use it twice a day, every single day, and you will definitely see the result. I love this brand, you know, mainly because they're very transparent and they're very honest. The first reason would be that, you know, they're very scientifically designed products. So everything has a proper formula, and everything is designed for the needs that a person requires. Like my needs is acne scars. My need is to actually reduce the pore size and you know, formation of new acne. So you will get a lot of the Derma Co products for different types of needs. Definitely you can go ahead and check out their website for more information. But if I talk about this particular product, it is very scientifically designed, especially for acne scars, large pores, and all of that. So if you have that kind of a problematic skin, this is one product you can totally go for. You do not need any kind of a prescription or anything like that. It is a totally over-the-counter product, and you can use it. I've been using it for the longest time, and trust me, once I use it, you know, I can feel, you know, when you have a new acne popping up, it actually pains. And there is also a corresponding face serum that comes, you know, in this niacinamide version. When you apply that, you can actually feel that the pimple actually goes painless. That means that, you know, the process of healing has begun. So I have noticed that with this product. So, and it is very quick to give the result. That is something I really appreciate about this particular product. More than that, this is an honest brand. They actually mention everything on the packaging, every single detail, including the percentage as to how much of a certain particular ingredient is product in a product is mentioned on the packaging. So it's absolutely honest. They're not discreet about anything. They're open about every single thing. And also the fact that, this brand actually believes in beauty without filters. You do not need filters when you have a good skin. You do not need, more makeup or layering more foundation on to hide your scars. The best way, actually you're beautiful in your own skin the way you are. But acne is a problem. It needs to be treated, and if a product can do that, why not? There's no harm in it. But you are just beautiful the way you are. You don't have to feel conscious about your acne. You don't have to feel conscious about your acne scars. But yes, there are certain products in the market that can actually do well for the skin. Then why not use them? This is one such product. So use it, go without filters, and just enjoy the beauty that you're born with. I think that's the best part of this particular brand, that it just makes you feel comfortable in your skin, and that's something I really like about this product. You don't really have to go very far to buy this product. You can purchase the Derma Co products from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and their own website, which is the dermaco.com. Everything is available very easily. Their delivery is super duper quick, and if you want to avail 20% off, of course I have a coupon code which they have very kindly provided. You can use that, and you can definitely avail 20% off on purchase of their products on their website, which is thedermaco.com. You can use code SANA20 to avail 20% off on thedermaco.com. I do not benefit anything out of it, but of course if it does benefit you, I'm going to be very happy. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box below, so that it is easier for you to actually have access to these products. So I am very happy, very satisfied with this product. If you're suffering from a little severe acne, you can also go for their serum. This is their niacinamide serum, which has 10% niacinamide in it. So this is definitely a little bit more concentrated. It has niacinamide, vitamin B3. It also has zinc, and you can use it every day and night, like in the morning and in the night while going to bed. You just need a smaller amount of it. Apply it on your face, leave it for a while, apply your moisturizer, and then you can go to bed. Very effective, extremely potent formula to treat acne, to treat large pores, to treat any kind of any kind of problem that actually develops as a result of acne. So very good product. This is priced at rupees 5.99 for 30 ml and goes a long way, because you need very little quantity of it. You have to use it every day. So as you use it every day, slowly and gradually, you will see that your scars, acne scars and everything will fade away. So it is very effective. I've been using it, so that's why I know. I feel very confident after using the products by Derma Co, because they have genuinely worked for me without any side effects, without any bad outcomes or anything like that. So these are very safe. You can go ahead, read the reviews of it as well, on websites such as Nykaa and stuff, and they're super good. One thing that I would say, that if you're using any product that treats acne or anything like that, or otherwise as well, to save your skin from harmful ultraviolet radiations or anything like that, always go for a sunscreen. And what is better than a medicated sunscreen? This is a sunscreen by the Derma Co, and I just bought it on a whim, but after using it I really liked it. This is called as Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. Now my skin is oily during the summers, and I do not like that chip-chippa formula of the sunscreens, the regular sunscreens that you get. You apply it, it is very greasy, and gradually as the day progresses, the greasiness of the sunscreen increases, and I do not like that feeling on me at all, because I look like a grease ball. This one is good because it's ultra matte and it is a gel formula, and it is very effective. This one is actually SPF 60 PA+++, which is like a really good SPF, which is perfect for Indian summers or tropical country like ours. And this is extremely lightweight. I do not like that heaviness on my face, be it the moisturizer or the sunscreen. So it is extremely lightweight because it is gel. It just absorbs into the skin and it gives that matte texture. So I like to use it under my makeup also. It is an oil-free formula, and of course you have to use it during the day. Sometimes if you're using anything that is treating your acne, it is also advisable to use sunscreen even if you stay indoors. Like right now it's pandemic and we are in a lockdown and we stay home all day, but still I use it. So it's a very good product. I would definitely recommend this particular sunscreen. This one is priced at rupees, I don't know the packaging, I have thrown away the cardboard ka dabba, but yeah, this was not very expensive, but of course you can use the coupon code. This is a 50 gram ka product, so I would definitely recommend all of these products that I'm using so far. There are a couple of more products that I'm using by the Derma Co, which I'll review later on. Of course you can keep an eye out for my empties video, because there are a lot of things that I've gone through which I would definitely like to talk more about that. So really happy with these products. I'm going to leave the direct link of these products in the description box below. Make sure that you go ahead and try these products out if you have acne prone skin, if you have acne scars, if you have large open pores, and if you want something safe to treat your skin without any side effect. This is one particular brand that you should go for. So that would be it. That's going to be my small little review and my skincare routine for summers for acne prone skin. So let me know if you have used these products. What do you think about it? Your feedback, your suggestions are always welcome. Now moving on with the haul. The first thing that I want to show you guys is this particular footwear. Now I think I was browsing on Ajio and I wanted a thong strap slip-ons, and I went for this one. This is by this brand called as Couture, something Couture, My Foot Couture, kuch aise hi brand ka naam tha, and I paid around 600 for this one. I liked it because it's a really fun chappal. Like it has slight bit of heel also, because sometimes I really like to wear heels, especially if I'm wearing something like a kurta pajama or something. It's always advisable to go for a bit of heel. It is not big, but I think it's 1.8 to 2 inches of heels, but it is a very lightweight chappal, and it has these kind of pom-poms, so it gave me a really summer vibe kind of a feel, and that's why I went for it. It has these kind of something's golden stuck on. These are not beads, something is stuck on, so it's very shiny. It goes with everything, and the best part is that you can wear it inside the house casually, of course. You can also wear it outside as well, so I really like it. It's very lightweight, and I paid around 600 for this on Ajio. Absolutely love this chappal because it gives me the summer vibes that I really require. So yeah, love that. Moving on to another footwear that I got is by this brand called as Ink.5. Ink.5. I hope that is how it is pronounced. Now this is one brand I really trust, because their chappals or their footwear or their shoes are really durable. I think I bought my Ink.5 340. The first footwear that I got was I think 4 years back, and I still have that footwear. It was a heel thing, something strappy heels, and I still have that, and it is the most comfortable pair of heels. So every time I want to buy heels, I always check Ink.5 because I really like this brand. And this time around I saw these really nice, and I thought, my god, this is such a versatile piece. And these are like cork effect ka pura design, but the straps are rose gold. They also have this in a brown shiny strap, but I went for this one because this was on sale and I really liked it. I think rose gold would go with everything. Generally for I think 2000 rupees these chappals, but I managed to get it for I think 1300 rupees because it was on a sale, and my size is 38 and they fit true to size. Really like this one. I would highly recommend because these are like meant for casual wear, but of course you can wear it for parties as well. This is really good. I'm going to give you a close-up of it because I can't show you the fact that inside the cork there is a slight bit of a gold which is peeping out, and that is actually giving it a very beautiful look. I really like it for the fact that I can wear it with my western wear, like with a dress or something, but I can also wear it with kurta pajama, like the way I'm wearing kurta pajama right now. I can definitely team this up with this footwear and it's going to be all perfect. It's really beautiful. If you want to buy one of these footwears, I would suggest going for this one because this is really versatile. I really like it. I would highly recommend. And Ink.5 I think is one of the best brands for footwear, especially for the durability factor of it. So yeah, that was that. Now moving on to a few dresses and tops that I got for the summer. The first one that I got, a lot of request was made for this particular dress. Ki please iska link de do. Let me just talk about this dress. This is by Sassafras. I have worn this dress 5-6 times already, and I really like how I really like the fact that how comfortable this particular dress is. It's off the shoulder. It has this kind of a chikankari this thing frill over here, but then it is a cotton dress underneath, and it's very, very beautiful. It looks really stunning on the model, and it is exactly the way as it looks on the model. The length of course can vary, because of course that depends on the height. So because I'm short, 5'2", 5'3", it comes around my knees, but if you're taller it's going to be slightly shorter. I would have definitely loved it if it was slightly shorter, but nonetheless it's a very, very, very comfortable dress because it is cotton all the way, very comfortable, and I think I paid around 600 for this one. Highly recommend this dress. Very beautiful, and more than that, it's so comfortable. Moving on to a top which I feel like, you know, is not a lot summer appropriate, but it is a party top. Now, you know, there are a lot of things that I buy because Instagram wants me to buy. So Instagram was showing that there's 50 or 60% off on Vero Moda tops, and that's when, you know, I came across this smock top. I wore it in one of my videos and I got a lot of you know, comments asking me about this particular top. This is by Vero Moda. I love their tops a lot. I mean, their quality is really nice, the fit is very nice, and when you buy them on sale, of course the price point is also very nice. I loved it because it's a really nice party top. So it's a smock top. That means it has this kind of a really fitted but stretchable, you know, the entire part over here. I don't know what smock is, but this is what the neckline is. It has a square kind of a neckline, and it has these kind of sleeves. So it's not cut out, it is actually, you know, lace sleeves. So it's very, very beautiful. This one is originally priced at $14.99, but I think H&M has also done one of these kind of tops, but I think the quality of Vero Moda is better than H&M in the same price point. I got this particular top for around 600 and something. Yeah, 50% or 60% off tha. So it was a great deal. It was a great deal. Really love this top a lot. Moving on to another top that I got. I really like formal tops sometimes, so I went for this white top. This is by Van Heusen, and Van Heusen makes one of the best formal pieces. So it is this kind of a synthetic but very comfortable fabric, and it has this kind of black, you know, stripy thing going on with button over here. It has full sleeves and the cuffing is like this. It's a beautiful top, perfect if you go to office, or even if you're working from home, you know, you can just wear this and, you know, do your Zoom meetings and all of that. This one is priced at rupees 14.99, but again I paid around 670 or 80 rupees for this one. Absolutely in love with this particular top. Moving on to a dress which I'm not very happy about. Now, I got this dress because I really liked it for how it looked. It's a very beautiful dress when you look at it, but especially on my body type, like I have a very curvy body and I'm not like really slim or petite or like that. If you are slim or petite, probably this is going to look really nice on you, but it somehow, I don't know, I don't like the fit of it on me. It's an off-shoulder beautiful dress with these kind of sleeves. It's very beautiful otherwise, and this is what the waist part is like. So the waist has no elastic, which is very surprising. I mean, in this kind of a dress there should be some elastication. It's important. There's no elastic, and I don't like the length of it on me. I'm 5'3" and the model is obviously taller than me, so and obviously leaner than me, so the dress definitely looks very good on her, but it does not look good on me at all. So I placed a return order for this one, but apparently when the guy came to actually pick this particular dress up, the barcode which is given on the tag did not match. So I don't know what happened, and they rejected this thing. So I even mailed them everything that it's not my fault. The tag is on. I have not tried on the dress. I have tried on the dress, but I've not worn it, and you know, it is a genuine product, but they refuse to take it back, so I'm forced to keep it. That's the reason I always tell you guys to shop very smartly and shop for things that you're really sure of, and that's the reason I like to try and bring reviews of the products to you guys, because you know, these days shopping online has become so difficult. These you know, retail companies, these retail websites, they, you know, 70 or 80% of the times, just be very sure that they will not take the product back. some way or the other, you know, they will force you to keep the product, and that is very bad, especially when you get a faulty or a wrong product. So in this case, I think it won't be that much harmful for me to keep this particular product because I can work with this. But had it been defected, it would have been impossible for me to return. So be very mindful. These days, these retail companies are really kind of harassing genuine customers, and I would genuinely use the word harass because I have faced it so many times, and you know, it's really irritating. So yeah, this is the dress that I got. This is by this brand called as Scoop. Honestly, I have no idea about this particular brand, and I never you know, have tried anything from this brand. This is originally for, you know, $28.99, and I paid around 1400 something for this particular dress. So this is definitely not you know, sasta. It's a very expensive dress, and I'll have to work something with this one. So that was the last dress that I had to show you. Then this was from Ajio. Then I got this pair of shorts from Ajio only, but this is by Aeropostale. Now I love this brand for Aeropostale, especially for tops and jeans. They make really comfortable stuff. So in particular, if I talk about these shorts, these are really comfortable. If you want to buy anything by Aeropostale, just make sure that you go a size up. I'm generally size 30 in all my shorts, jeans and everything. In Levi's I'm size 28, but for Aeropostale I'm size 32, and that also fits me really snug. So just go one size up in Aeropostale for the jeans or tops as well. Like if in tops, if you're size medium, go for a size large, because I learned that hard way. This is a really nice basic blue, no distressing, nothing. The wash is very plain and simple. You know, shorts, these are I think mid-rise, not really high-rise, but these shorts are extremely comfortable, and this is what the back looks like. So shorts are a staple for me, especially during the summers, and I'm very happy that I got it. Originally this is for $13.99, but I think I paid around 700 or 800 for this one, and Ajio pe coupon code hote hai, just apply that and everything becomes really affordable. So got myself these, and I would highly recommend these shorts. I think these are sold out in every single size, and I'm really looking forward to more shorts and jeans by Aeropostale. Moving on to two more tops that I got. So the first top is this one. I love this brand, which is called as Cover Story. I don't know, I think it is available on a lot of websites, but I got it from Ajio. So it's a very beautiful powder blue color ka top. It's a peplum top. It's a really nice cotton fabric, like really nice cotton fabric. When you hold it, you can feel it. So this is a cutout chikankari kind of a pattern, and it's very beautiful. It's really pretty. It's very comfortable. It has lining inside of it, and the back part looks like this. So there's a slight bit of keyhole over here, and it has a v-neck kind of a thing. It's very pretty. I loved it on the model. The only problem was that only size medium was available. So the fit of it, because it has barely any stretch into it, it's pure cotton, it does not have any stretch. So in Cover Story also, I like to go a size you know, up, and I think I would have preferred it more if it was slightly looser, but still I simply love this. I would highly recommend this top again. If this is available, you know, try getting yourself this, because it's really comfortable. A Cover Story is generally expensive for $22.90. I think I paid around 1100 for this particular top. Moving on to the last and my favorite top is this one. Again, this is by Cover Story, but oh my god, what a beauty this particular top is. This is what it looks like. Now it's so beautiful. First of all, the fabric of the cotton is to die for. You hold it in your hands and you feel the quality, and then you realize that okay, whatever price you've paid, it's actually worth it. This is originally for $22.90 again, but I paid around I think 1300 for this top, but so worth the money. It's like this, and anything that you see which is black is all embroidered. There's thread embroidery, there are a lot of frills and all of that. So this is what it's going to look like. The sleeves are like this, 3/4 length, and the back is like that. There's a zipper at the back as well, and it is V, both front and back it is V, and yeah, it also has a peplum at the bottom. So it's really pretty, and I absolutely love this top. I would highly recommend it. If you like wearing tops such as these, you will not go wrong with this. It's very nice. I don't think you can wear it for office, but yes, for casual or even for party wear you can wear it. So guys, that was everything in this video of mine. I hope you have liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll try and find links of everything and put in the description box below, just in case if you want to buy any of the products out. You can have the direct link in the description description box. None of the links are affiliate. I'm not making any money out of it. I just want to put it out there that everything that is there in the description box below is actually for your ease and comfort, because you asked me a lot of questions, so you have the direct link over there. So guys, that was everything in this video of mine. I hope you guys are safe. I hope you guys are doing okay. Let me know how you guys are in the comment section below, and let me know which is your favorite thing in this particular haul of mine. So guys, that would be it in this video. I'm going to wish you all the health, all the best, and all the love from my side, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye guys.